Steady Income. And Pruwell 10 is our Chief Product Officer. Let's give a big hand for Miss Guarantee.
Hello, morning everyone.
Morning.
I think you're meeting there at the back. Yeah, I just want to thank everyone who are here today, our media friends, who raised this event. And I hope you will elevate this event for us. So thank you for being here. So actually today, I'm excited to share with everyone the 2 product solutions that we have that can help our fellow Filipinos achieve financial freedom. So basically, these products can help them through their life stages, the needs in every life stages. These products can help support them as they go through or navigate through their life stages needs. So, without further ado, this is the common problems that we all face, diba? I'm sure each one of you, and mga parents here, escalating education costs, yung mga save sa bank, maybe they see that their savings are underperforming. These are constant worries for each and every one of us. Agree? Yes, diba? And it's sometimes, diba, in middle of the night, at least for me, diba, sometimes you get to think, shucks, what will happen in the future? Have I saved enough to cover for my educational needs of my children, for my retirement? The savings that I put in right now, is it enough to give me the return that I need? The need for predictability is more evident now, diba? So all this is what we're trying to solve with the solutions that we have. We will be presenting today with 2 products, right? So focusing on every life goal. Diba? Life stages, we start with earning. After earning enough, you want your wealth to grow. Then after that, preserving. So all these life stages, we have the right products to cater to these needs. So for example, if you want a secure income, diba? You want a continuous, steady cash flow, we have the right product for you. If you want to grow your wealth, there's also a product for you that can address that. And then of course, diba, with any insurance products naman, it protects your legacy. You can use it to protect your legacy. So I'm proud to share with you the first product, the Pru Steady Income. From the name itself, it guarantees steady income for you. So I think you can relate to each one of this persona that we have presented here. Meron mga freelancer, diba? And I guess it's custom for Filipinos, diba? Na we usually focus on our family's needs first before us. So with this product, the payout that we continuously or steadily receive, diba? For 11th to 20th year, later on I'll share more details on that. But those we can use to support our family needs. But at maturity, the proceeds that we will receive from that, basically we can use that naman to fulfill our own personal dreams. So looking at that, diba, like for a freelance, syempre, minsan limited lang the income that you will receive. But with a steady income, in a way that can supplement the support that you give for your family. But at maturity, the lump sum amount that you will receive, that's your chance naman to reward yourself, diba, for what you've been doing for your family. Similarly, for a parent, diba, they can use the payout for the educational needs to supplement the educational funding of their kids. But at the end, diba, at maturity again, they can use that amount to what? To fulfill their own personal dreams as a parent. Kasi usually, diba, sa parent, napapabayaan na natin yan. Nauna natin yung mga kids. But what happens to us? So this product, diba, the maturity benefit can be used to fulfill our lifelong dreams. And then lastly, for OFWs. OFWs, usually they have a limited time in terms of earning, especially when they have a contract abroad. So using those periods to pay for the premium, then eventually they'll be able to, yung payout that they will receive after when they come back from their stint as OFW. We let that grow, and then at maturity, they can start building on whatever business they would want or whatever their lifelong dream would be. So that's the solution that we're trying to provide to our customers through this product, the Pru Steady Income. So siguro zooming in, I think I've gone through this earlier, like for a mom, diba? An early nester. So yeah, they can use the payout to fulfill the educational needs. And at maturity, whatever amount that they will receive, they can use it to, if ever they want to further study na put on hold, maybe because they have kids, they can use that maturity benefit to support their own dream to, like, for example, take MBA or something. So just, again, to wrap up on what this product is all about, it's easy. You pay either for 5 or 10 years, depending on your revenue stream. You can look at it that way. So basically, you're just saving 5 or 10 years of your portion of your income. And then on the 11th year, you start receiving 10% of the sum assured every year for the next 10 years. So that's 11th to the 20th year. And then on the 20th, you start receiving the 100% maturity benefit. So that's 100% of the sum assured. And all the while you're from day 1 until year 20 in maturity period, you're covered for 200% of the sum assured. So if anything happens to you, at least you know that your family is protected. They will get something out of it. It's a nice product, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is for, if you look at it, diba, yung mga nasa earning stage, this is the product that's suitable for them because they're building on their earnings to enjoy the payout later on, yung parang accumulation phase. So the next product that I'm excited to also introduce is the PruWealth 10. So yung PruWealth 10 naman, this one focuses more on preserving your wealth. Or basically, you want to grow your wealth. So this is the perfect product for you. So it's simple, straightforward. You pay for one time, then you start receiving annual return every year for the next 10 years. So it's good for those who are looking for wealth builders, those who want to diversify their portfolio. This is a solution for that, for those looking for that. And those who want to basically stay on the safe side, yung mga risk averse. This is a good alternative to low yield placements that are available currently in the market. Right now, I think there's limited opportunities for us to be able to invest in products or investment solutions that give out high return at this point. So the product is leveraging on that, that the market is still able to provide that kind of return. So this one is like someone who is near retirement. She wants her wealth to be preserved. So she invests in this product, one-time placement, give it there for the next 10 years, and enjoy the 5% of the single premium benefit every year until maturity. And then return of premium at maturity on the 10th year. So kaya sabi ko, it's simple, straightforward. Yeah, so this one just gives an overview. So it's a one-time pay, 5% net annual cash payout for the next 10 years. So that's 5% of the single premium. So if you place 1 million, so basically you're getting 50,000 every year, guaranteed. And while you're on that, you are covered for 110% of the single premium. And then at maturity, on the 10th year, you get your whole 1 million back. So that's how simple and straightforward this product is. Okay? So that's the power of PruWealth 10. And then I think lastly, so what we're trying to say with these two products, the power of Tuna, we are doing this, everything guaranteed. There's guaranteed payout, guaranteed maturity benefit, guaranteed protection. That's the power of these two products. And we're saying that we have the right solutions depending on the needs of the customer or whatever stage of their life they are in. So the one I was mentioning earlier, whether you're in the earning stage, in the growing stage, or preserving stage, we have these two products to cater to those needs. So that's it for me. I hope I got you excited with these new products. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Ms. Karen. Ms. Karen, kindly already come up